So, ito na tayo, nag-iikot na tayo sa kanila. Gumagawa sila ng panic device. So, tingnan nyo yung ginagawa nila. Medyo masilan-silan din. Medyo mahirap din gawin, nahirapan din sila minsan. Kunting kamali lang, hindi rin mabuksan eh. Ito yung bar niya. Handle. How are you, Roson?
Fine, fine.
Fine. Satli bhai.
Yes, boss.
Shout out your wife. You have wife?
Why no? I this new people, new lady.
Why not married? Roson, you and me long time partner, but until now you're not married?
Girlfriend ready now?
Sumit,
Yes, boss.
no like girl?
Like now, only 16 years.
16 years? 16 years not married?
After
When you go vacation?
20 years after marriage.
You not go vacation?
What is that?
My lady now.
Ito yung mga ipani kong masisipag magtrabaho. Hindi tamad. Yung iba tamad, ikot-ikot lang.
Maya.
Kaya, yan sila. Oh. Guys, pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ako makapag-video ng maayos. Baka mahuli tayo. Takaw-takaw lang talaga. Eh, inikot ko naman talaga itong break time na. Bye, go. Kasi titingnan ko natapos nito i-report din natin kung anong ginawa nila maghapon. Sige, sige. Roson, how many piece now finish today? Only one piece? Ground floor already finished? Ground floor? Two door now, ah? Okay, sige, hanggang dito na lang.